Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Wang. I'm from the lab MC, and today I'm going to talk about a conventional material, which is cement and concrete. Don't be disappointed, okay? I guess maybe some of you might think, okay, that's a kind of boring topic. Mais absolument pas. I will tell you why. So first of all, I want to let you know, during the cement production process, it can create about 8% of CO2 emission per year. So imagine that's a huge number, isn't it? But if we think it positively, it's also quite potential to cut it down if we do it more properly. So more specifically, I will tell you how we do that. In my PhD project, I studied about the sulfate attack of the cementitious materials. But what is the sulfate attack? So in the real world, the sulfate ions can be widely present in the soil, in the seawater, or in the underground water. So when the concrete material are in contact with them, the sulfate ions can penetrate inside the materials, and then they can have the physiochemical reaction with the cement hydrates. And then, of course, it can cause the damage. Eventually, the concrete material can be totally disrupted. But that's not what we want, right? So currently, we do have a standard test method for the sulfate attack, but which only concern the full wet state, which is showing here in this slide, the bottom surface of the sample, which is fully immersed of the sulfate solution. But in the field condition, what is more concerned, which is so-called physical sulfate attack, which is showing here on the top surface of the sample, where you can have the fluctuation of the relative humidity. So this is more close to the field condition. So that's why we developed a new unidirectional penetration approach, which can combine these two aspects into one single sample. So that's more common in the field condition. And of course, we can know much better the damaging mechanism of the realistic condition. And eventually, of course, we can cut the CO2 emission down because we do it more properly. So imagine, that's just one single idea in the cement field. But we have plenty of similar ideas like that we are focusing nowadays. So that's why I want to let you know, concrete is not a boring topic. We can change the concrete, and the concrete can definitely change the world. Thanks for your attention.